walk.
It's hard to drink in between happy.
Yes, do you use mask at school?
Yeah, I use my mask.
Good.
Yeah, you have to wear them at lunches and that and class. Yeah. And you have to wear them on
Sorry?
you have to wear them on taxis and all that now.
Yes, you like the shirt. You got sneeze?
No. Did you walk to the beach?
Yeah,
and that?
not walk. This weekend I went Cleedon Village 2 times.
Oh right.
I put video. You can see.
Yeah.
My hair's not straight anymore. It's really long.
I know.
It's changed. Yeah, my hair's changed now.
Lovely evening. Today is 21st of September. Happy autumn season.
Yeah.
My hair's not straight anymore. It's straight.
We are going to Luca restaurant
Yeah.
for eat something. Okay. We are going inside Luca restaurant. Come inside. No need mask. Go.
Okay.
Oh no, mask.
You sit next to your seat and meet up with mum. So you can sit together, your mum and your dad, and then just stay and meet her while we eat, while you're eating.
No, you can sit in the other. It's not possible. If you really want to sit, yeah, it's for sure.
Hi, bro.
Yeah.
Have you been here before?
Yeah.
My daughter came here. So
Very late.
Mama relax, Mama watching TV, sing song outside.
Last night your mom cooked 6 curry. Then she cooked rice. I help your mom. Then I went out for evening walk. It's 3 hour walking. 3 hour.
Not compared to
Nice and beautiful. Shivali, nice restaurant.
really lovely, some big semis.
We did order nice food, 4 dish order.
not men.